But when filing the VAT or any return from the form of the iTax, you find that if you try to change the date here, because it normally requires 2 digit. So even if I put a 0 here, 06, 07, you'll find that nothing will change. I don't know what happened to these iTax Excel forms. They don't normally pick. Now, let me ask you in the comment section, how do you normally rectify this one? Because we cannot import this one into our VAT3 if we have not changed this format of date. So let me know in the comment section your easiest way that you normally sort out this issue. But for me, I normally do this way. So I normally click. I normally click this column and then to go to numbers here. Then click this drop down number format here, the arrow. Go to customs and then trying to find out the date format. This is the date format. We have MD, that is the month and date. So you add another M and then you add another D for date. And then you click OK. So the Excel now will be able to start with that 2 digits. So you save, close your, this is a CSV for section G. This is for 8%. So close and then go to section G here, import G. Let's see whether the date will pick. It will pick, but the date will be okay. So yeah, you can see the date is okay. So that's how I normally sort that issue. So let me know in your comment section, how do you normally sort yours, so that maybe we can get to know another easiest way. So thank you so much, and also make sure to like and subscribe.